gonna love me better. I'm gonna stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher. I'm gonna stick with you. Yeah, you know how to appreciate me. I'ma stick with you, my baby. Nobody ever made me feel this way. I'ma stick with you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Pants too long for a brother so cheap. And your flex so D and your sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. That bomb look that you're seeing in the front, stay tuned, I will be doing it now. So I'm just priming my face, getting ready to use my Anastasia brow pencil. Just remember that brows are not twins, they are sisters. So I'm just filling my brows to my liking for this particular day. Every day my brows are different, or every time that I do my makeup, my brows are different.
Passionate, I just wanna bask in it, winning it like a championship. You gon' show me love like you tried it and denied it, but you still.
So the concealer that I'm using is by Morphe. All of the products will be listed in the description below, but this product right here, honeys, let me tell you about this product. I love it. It's my favorite this far. At first I used to use Revolution, but I just switched to this product. It's matte, so you really do have to work fast with it, but it's worth it. I mean, just look at it. So to blend out this product, I'm using the BH Cosmetics setting brush. This brush works wonders. As you can see, it's really blending out my edges. And honeys, you just have to blend as much as possible, so you won't have no harsh lines when you put on your foundation or under your foundation. So now I'm just using my Louise eyeshadow base primer in the color 2. And then I'm just going to go back in with that setting brush and blend my life away.
It doesn't make sense now.
Now I'm just going to go in with my transitional color from the palette Juvias Place Warrior 2. And with the transitional color, it helps me move into darker colors. And I just tap in circular motions to make it more seamless for me to actually place in my darker color. Now in my outer crease, I'm going to start by packing on that darker shade and bring them more over into my crease. Now with a clean brush, I'm going to go into this peachy pinkish color to add as my brow highlight, and it just makes the look pop so much more. Now using a flat brush, I am now packing on this light white, almost white color to give me the ombre effect look. And it's really an easier way to pass with like a cut crease, because it looks like a cut crease, but it's really not a cut crease, but it looks like a cut crease, if you understand what I'm saying. So I just go in back with that darker shadow and just go back and forth and trying to create a seamless look, so it won't be no harsh lines. Everything is blended out evenly and it just looks so pretty. Now honeys, this is a full disclaimer. I am really bad with eyeliner. Like, I struggle with this so much, and I want to get better and I want to practice and stuff, but it's just so hard. Like, I don't get it. Like, I honestly don't get it, but I try the best I can and keep it pushing. So now I'm just going in with my Anastasia foundation in the color 480C, and I just love this because it gives me full coverage with not as much full coverage. It's not heavy, it's very lightweight, and sometimes I'll be forgetting that I even have on this foundation. So now I'm going back in with my Revolution concealer, and I start off with a darker color first, only because I'm going to use another color to lighten it up. And with that same setting brush, I just love the setting brush, as you can see. This same setting brush, I'm just going to go in and blend it all out. And then I'm going to take my foundation brush that I just used to go in and blur out the harsh lines. So I decided to go in with my Morphe color, the same color that I use on my eyebrows, to give me the lighter highlight effect. And of course, I'm using my setting brush again. And it's so funny to me because I just realized how many times I just used it in this video. So to set my under eye, I'm using the Fenty setting powder in the shade Honey. I don't like bacon, and I learned that bacon was not for me. So I learned this technique by pressing the powder in, and it still gives me that studio fix look. Now, using my Anastasia contouring stick, I don't know the shade, and I tried looking for the shade. I had this stick for quite a long time, and the color has actually rubbed off. So when I actually go to purchase a new one, I will make sure that I get the name for this, and in my next video I will put it in the description to let you guys know. I do go back in with my banana powder and Revolution and my Fenty Honey shade to give me that snatch look under my contour. It's what I do. I love it. It's just giving me a skinny face. Even though I don't want to be skinny, but I just want to look slim. The setting spray that I am using is from Morphe, and it's lovely. It makes everything cohesive. Using that darker color that I use on my outer eye, my outer corner eye, I am going to smoke out my lash line with it. And sorry guys, I did do my lashes off camera, but I do have footage of me putting on my bottom lashes, which brings out the look even more. It just makes it so dramatic and so baby doll-ish. With that same darker color from my outer corner of my eye, I'm using it to contour. Can you believe it? And it looks so cute. It makes me look more warmed up, and I like to look warm. Who doesn't like to have a tan in the winter? Because I sure do. In that palette, there's also the peachy color that I use for my underbrow, and some orange sunset color that I use to actually bronze my face. And I also use the pinkish color to actually give me a little bit of blush. Now with that darker color again, I am going to go in and contour my nose, and I'm going to use my finger to blur out the harsh lines. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe highlighting powder, which just totally broke on the floor when I was doing this video. I was so upset because it is my favorite. But that's all to the look. And I used some lip gloss from the Disney line in Ulta. And that's it. This is my look, the baby doll look, the soft glam dramatic look. I love it. If you love it, give this video 2 thumbs up, subscribe to me, and thank you for watching my channel. See you guys soon. I'll talk to y'all girls later. Bye.
Never fades away, it's staying. Your kiss like broken glass on my skin.